what size bags you said it is again?
I think they're about 2 to 12. I'm pretty sure is what they say. That's up, that's down. So I'm gonna put it up right there. So then I'd have to let it go a little bit more.
Instagram could eat pussy, nigga be snitching. Everybody acting suspicious.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pop Clutch. We are back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing a review on this Tahoe behind me.
Hey, I'm in the studio, bro. Oh no, you ain't called me, bro. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm at the studio. Hold up, though. I ain't get to roll no weed. I ain't get to roll no swishers. I was locked up on Christmas. I ain't get to see my niggas. I ain't get to hug my mama.
Now, I've seen this Tahoe on Instagram. I've seen it in person before, but I never got a video on it. I do know that Logan Bird, I think, is the original owner of it when he actually got it like candy painted, I think. I don't know. No?
No, it's not.
Swear to God.
I get that a lot. I get that a lot. It's actually not. It's a different one.
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill.
I'm here, but you can't see me.
I get it all the time. I get that. I get that it's a wrap. Oh, I get that all the time, dude.
Bro, I thought this was Logan Birds. I've been saying that the whole time, so it's not. It's not.
You are not the father.
But make sure y'all like, comment, try the best. Follow me on Instagram at Poppin' Clutches. Buy y'all merch, your wood lights, your rock lights, and the links down below. And we about to get right to this video. He's gonna explain what I done to it. And yeah, I think it's gonna be an interesting video because I really thought it was his. So now we gotta hear the backstory of like it getting painted and stuff, because that's crazy.
All right, so my name's Bryston. This is my 2008 Chevy Tahoe. It's got the 5.3. I've had it for about a year now. When I got it, it was actually painted. Some dude in Tennessee got it. It just got painted. I got it on a 7.5-inch RC. Since then, it's completely different. I basically swapped about everything. First, the main thing, I got a 7 9-inch Maxtrac. It's set at 9. I got a 2-inch bottom level. I got Cognito uppers. That's about it for the front lift. I got it powder coated. I don't know the exact color, but it's a type of purple. I got the blue kind of matched to my paint, and then I got a kind of silverish front cross member there. Recently, the most recent thing I've done really
realize you've just got robbed.
Bruh.
Is the paint match. I got the emblem paint match, the mirrors, and then the roof rack caps. I got these clear headlights. They're off Amazon. One of them's bad about getting some condensation in it. They really all do that. There's really no getting around it. All the ones I've seen do it. As you see, the paint, cause it's a blue, it's got some pearl in it. Sometimes it'll be pink, green. You can see some gold in it sometimes. It really just depends on the lighting. These, I got some 26x14 HC19s on 35 amp. This is the third setup I've had on it. I love the way these amps ride. Best riding tire I've had. I've had them for a couple months. I've drove it thousands of miles, and they really haven't lost about any tread. They ride great, 80, 85 down the interstate. I got these chrome pieces right here, chrome door handles. The back is bagged. I had to do it in North Carolina to do it. I was gonna do it myself. I do all the work myself, but I kind of varied the prices, and these are professionals. I didn't want nothing to mess up with the air ride or nothing, because it's got to be real exact. So I took it down there. I got a remote for it. There's a switch inside. They're 2 double bellow, they're D 2,600 pound bag. I got 2 VVI compressors, 3-gallon tank. It's 1/2-inch line, fast valves, pretty fast. I like it. You can air it up and down, driving down the road. Where I live, squat is illegal, so I drive it level most of the time. When I'm taking videos and pictures and stuff and go to shows, I can air it out. It's really good about that. I got caddy tail lights back here. They're not clears. I would like to get probably paint match ones eventually, maybe. I think that look good. Just haven't really got around to it. I know they take a while to get made. I just got those roof rack pads not too long ago. I went with pink just because of the way the paint, you know, kind of flip-flops. I thought pink would look good, so I got that done. We got the chrome emblem back here. I just added this chrome piece. I know some come with it, but mine didn't, so I put that chrome piece right there. I thought it added a good little touch. For the exhaust, I got dual straights. It's 2.5-inch piping. No cats, nothing. I got 2 U-Power 8-inch tips. I got that done not too long after I got it. It's pretty loud. I've really never gotten in trouble for it though. The inside, it's LTZ, so it is fully loaded. I got black leather. The seats aren't perfect. I do plan on getting like some diamond stitching, some custom upholstered seats eventually. I'm looking kind of right now. I think it's a 10-inch radio. It is dirty right now. I am down here from Tennessee. As you see, I kind of got it stitched up just for now. It is leather. I do got the sunroof. This is my back switch right here. You just go up and down. There's a switch right here where I can turn it off. That turns my compressors off. The tank goes up to 200 and then it shuts off automatically. That's the screen right there. AC, everything works perfect. The dash, I did have a carpet cover, put a new dash in it, and then I put one of these plastic covers, so dash is pretty much flawless. It's really not that hard. You know, a couple bolts and stuff. It is hard to do by yourself. I think I did have somebody help me get it out, like kind of force it out, because it really doesn't want to come out. I did it in a day. I went and got one off Facebook, off a junkyard, took it out, brought it to the house, put it, and then, like I said, it's gonna crack again. These types of covers right here, they don't crack. This will last the whole time I got the vehicle. So I went with that. It was like $100, $200, and it really set it off. I did just put stars in it. I got 1100 with the shooting stars. I've done them before, so it wasn't nothing hard. The rear AC, there's AC back there. That did make it more difficult, but you know, we got it done. I got tweeters in all 4 doors. Those are DS18, those are pretty loud, and then I just got SCAR door speakers. If you want to go to the back, I got some subs back there. They did come with it. They look kind of beat, but they are loud. I hooked them up, and so I just kept them. I got them bolted down. I got the amps on the back side for the door speakers and the sub. That really wraps up the interior, like I said, with the diamond stitching. Probably the next thing that I'll do to that.
Do you still talk to the old owner that owned this before?
I don't. He's in Tennessee, I know. He does trade a lot. Like I had a red Jeep Cherokee.
You're not important.
It wasn't perfect. You know, I had first got it when I was about 17. I had a Jeep before, got in a wreck, got it totaled, got another one. I kind of off-roaded it. Then I went to 24s, and then I decided I took all the off-roading stuff off, got some 26x14s and squatted it. I had that for a long time, and then I traded him for this. I kind of wanted something bigger, and I really liked the way this looks, so I had it on Marketplace, and he hit me up.
Camera gets scammed, buddy.
The Jeep, now it's completely different. It's been camera wrapped and everything, but I don't talk to him every day. Like I said, really cool dude. I got him on socials and stuff. I do get a lot that it is Logan Birds. I don't know how to prove it to anybody. I do know the dude who owns Logan's now. We have been at the same show actually the last time in Trucktober. His is a little lighter. It does kind of flip-flop a little different in my opinion. I've heard that his is a wrap, but his might be paint too. I really don't know 100%.
Stop the cap.
Nah, it's paint.
It is paint. Okay,
Yeah, it's paint.
okay. So they are both paint. I do get this as a wrap a lot. I do got all the door jams you probably seen earlier in the video. I got all the door jams done and everything. So it is definitely paint. Probably the most. Just this weekend, I got it so many times, and I just kind of tell them it's not. And
You need to put a decal on there saying not Logan Birds.
I've thought about it, man. I've said that to my friends sometimes going to shows. I'm like, man, I need to put a sticker or something. But yeah, I just, as they come, as they say that, I just kind of tell them it's not, and you know, they're gonna believe what they believe.
I actually get the same thing with the Yukon Denali that I got. Everybody think it's Logan's because they brought the lift kit and the headlights or something like that. Yeah, so they think that that's Logan Birds too.
Oh!
But yeah, I do got, I got 24 rock lights. I got off a local dude. I wired them up myself.
Do you know how much it cost to paint this? How much he paid?
I know it's probably pretty expensive. I know the paint match alone, after I had got the paint and the pearl, was pretty expensive. I don't know exactly how much he paid to spray. I could imagine it'd be expensive. I've heard some different things from some different people about how much it's worth, but I would assume it wouldn't be cheap. Talk to some people, like I said, but not an exact number, not an exact number.
You had somebody else do color match.
Yeah, some local dude. So like I said, I did find the dude who painted it. I was looking forever because I wanted paint match, was one of the first things I wanted done. Like I said, I just got it done after having it for about a year. Just because I couldn't find the pearl or anything because it's custom, I went to a couple different people that we can't really match it. As you see, it did turn out pretty good. I just had them scan the blue. So I got the blue, and then like I said, I found the dude who painted it. He gave me the pearl. They mixed that in some clear coat. It turned out pretty good. It flip-flops, and that was the main thing I wanted. One of my buddies, right before Alabama, when I came out to y'all's show, he's got 16 wides. He tried to pull in a real skinny spot, ran his back wheel up on my back bumper, and so while they did that, they fixed the back bumper.
Oh, so this all was done recently?
Paint match and the back bumper I had resprayed. That was done right before Alabama. So yeah, like I said, I wanted the paint match done forever. I found the pearl, and then my bumper got hit. I was stressing about it because I was coming out to your show, and I'm like, man, I had parked indoor. I'm like, I don't want to look I got something that's beat up or nothing. But they got it done like 3 days. Really good dudes. I got it right here. It's just on this little remote. It's A and B. That's up. That's down. So I'm gonna put it up right there. As you see, the compressor's kicked on. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. That's not all the way up. Like I said, it's got a 200-pound tank on it. Once the bag pressure and the tank pressure, once they hit, they'll go to about 75, 100. It won't allow the bags to air up more than the tank. So then I'd have to let it go a little bit more, and I could bump it up. You can ride it at about 150. You can go out to 175. But as you see, it gets plenty level enough. This is how I drive it every day. It rides good. I don't get bothered by the police.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Or nothing, but like I said, it does go up a little bit more, so then I can just go like that, straight back down. Yeah, that's why I went and had it done by them, because they did all that. I had one of my local buddies. He got it done by the same place, and he's never had any problems, so I decided to drive it out there about 4 hours from me and get it done. They got it done in like 2 weeks.
Is that kit welded on? Is the bags welded on?
So the bottom mount's a little skinnier. It is welded on to where just the bottom where the pucks would go. The top one, actually, it's got a stud on the mount there. It screws into the bag, and then there's a bolt where you can put like leveling kits and stuff in the back, or lift kits. Like there's just a bolt, and it just bolts in. I could change that. As you see, it doesn't sit down on the tire, just because it is sitting at about 11 in the front, and obviously I gotta get it up within 4 inches for the cops not to mess with me. So I do lose a little drop. I had a 3-inch drop kit on it before, and I measured out, it's about a 1-inch difference, so I didn't lose that much. As you see, it's plenty squatted. I have thought about getting some different mounts, a little smaller, maybe for shows and stuff, so I can sit on the tire. Just haven't got around to it yet. Like I said, it's plenty for me. I like it. That is, some people do say they wish it sat on the tire, but like they said, and without going custom, I got this is stock 4-link, everything. They just added the bag, so without doing some custom stuff, once you go that high, you're gonna lose some drop. That's just kind of part of it.
Pussy nigga be snitching, everybody acting suspicious. Might probably say that I'm tripping when I'm all alone in my jail cell. I tend to get in my feelings.
Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth where we're about to hear the audio inside the Tahoe. They say you have subs and you have tweeters, right?
I think they're 2.5-inch tweeters, and then I do have Scar 6.5s in all the doors.
We got the red in the niggas, these got the red in the corners. Still be some hundreds on the show.
I thought the beat was going to drop, it didn't drop yet.
They just be trying to talk like this,
Dude, I don't even know the brand. It's called Q Power. They don't look the best, bro, but I hooked them up and they're loud. I'm serious. Yes, sir.
15s by Q Power is not bad. I mean, I don't know nothing about that brand subs, but they don't sound bad.
That's the next thing. I got to get a stunt wall.
What size bag you said is again?
Bag height is a little different than lift height and stuff. It's all about the brackets and stuff, but I think they're about 2 to 12. I'm pretty sure is what they say.
You don't have high joints, right?
No. Got some. I put them on, and oh my gosh, I couldn't even drive it. I daily drive this. This is my daily driver, so I could not. My wheel was going like this when I was hitting bumps, and it was jerking me everywhere, so I put the stock ones back on. I never had any problems out of them.
But I thought with hind joints you had to drill through the spindle anyway.
I did.
So how did you get it back to go back?
I put a little washer thing up in there.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
You put a washer?
Not a washer. It's like a sleeve kind of.
Oh, okay. So you was at my show last week. How many hours was that for you to drive there?
That was about 5.5, 6 to that one. That one was pretty much one of the closest ones I've been to.
Now, how far was this drive?
About 9 hours. I've done it once before for Atlantic Beach. It rides, especially aired up, it rides really good. You know, I can cruise 80 down the interstate, cruise control, one hand on the steering wheel.
this exhaust is loud.
Oh yeah, dual straights. That's really, it's kind of crazy because I've never got a ticket or nothing for it. Where I'm from in Knoxville, cops really don't care about stuff like this at all.
It's completely aired out right now, right?
Completely aired out.
What can I compare the rear to right now? Because I know that's not stock height.
This is gonna be, like I said, I had a 3-inch drop pull in it before. I measured the difference, the fender gap, it's about 1 inch difference, so I'd say we're at about a 2-inch drop in the back right now. I really have just recently, I've loved it ever since I've got it, but just recently I'm like, man, I need to put some mufflers on it. I do like the clap, the squatted truck, you know, the clap exhaust. I do like the way it sounds. But
now, would you ever go a 10 to 12 or no?
Eventually, I do want to get a bulletproof or a Cognito. With me daily driving it right now and stuff, probably the next thing I'm going to do is get 16 wides, and then I'll probably get a 10 to 12 or something. But the one on your old Yukon, it's not turned up or nothing, and if I got a 10 to 12 and set it like that, it would probably ride better.
Yeah.
So I've thought about doing that. But you should see me going down the interstate and stuff. It looks like it and everything's crazy.
Just walked out of Saks, put 2,000 on my feet.
So I'm not gonna lie, I love static to death, but the excitement I get out of just hitting that switch and just jumping up like that, I feel like I'm in California.
I do like that it's how fast.
Yo, we just went completely level. I can sit back and relax now.
That's what I do. That's what
oh. Okay, hold on. This might be the move. I'm not gonna. Fuck no.
He said no. No.
I like this like this.
I did daily drive it, completely squatted for months until they made it illegal, then I got the bags.
Y'all gotta comment down below, right? I got somebody wanting to bag the Yukon right now. Should I bag the Yukon or just keep it static? I feel like if I bag it, I'm taking away from the culture.
Have you got pulled over in tickets for squats or not?
Where I'm from in Georgia, I haven't gotten in trouble for squat. Now, Panama City Beach, they do not like squat in Panama City Beach. Maybe if you just go out there on a regular weekend, they may not mess with you. But I know when it's a truck event, cops don't like it out there.
You're a victim.
Another place that don't like squat is Daytona Beach. They don't like squat at all either. They will cook you. You will get in trouble for it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This Tahoe ride real good. Like, yo, I'm literally letting the steering wheel go for 5 minutes and it's still driving straight. What the hell?
I mean, this lift is pretty much, you saw it. It's up there on almost getting maxed out, and it rides really good. Oh yeah.
That's bad bump. Out of all the states and cities that I have visited with the squatted truck, I must commend Lake City cops and the whole vibes out here. Like, these cops are like the coolest cops. They didn't give nobody no tickets. I haven't seen not one squatted truck pulled over. And it was cops everywhere, even state troopers, like the local cops, state troopers, they was all chilling. Shout out to High Class, I'm not gonna lie, y'all definitely showed out. It was a huge show. But we've been level too long. We gotta, why is it not going down?
Kick the switch. So there's a switch down there. And it'll feel it. There you go. Now it's gonna work.
All right, so we was level too long. We gotta. Jeez.
I'm a motherfucking boss. It's gonna cost to talk to me. He ain't talking about no money. Must be speaking Chinese.